Showing up is the best thing you can do for yourself as a business on social media. People buy from people. They become friends with people. They trust people. So just show up. Share your story and your passions. You don't have to have the fanciest equipment or the right picture, but you do need some branding photos to help show up on social media.
Branding is more than just a logo or a set of colors that you like to use. It's about how your business or organization and your branding makes your client or audience feel. How they feel in that experience is so important to us. So we are making it a goal in 2022 to do some branding photos every single quarter. Now, that might not mean us going to get professional photos done every single quarter. I am a photographer, so I'm going to do some of these by doing self-portraits or rope CJ into helping us capture some new and updated photos. So follow along with the journey. We're going to go through the behind the scenes of how we prepped for our shoot and some footage on the actual day.
Step 1, you're going to find your inspiration. Make that Pinterest board, manifest, create a mood board, whatever gets you feeling what type of experience you want your audience to have when they see your branding photos on social, on your website, or wherever you're going to use them.
Step 2 is going to be about creating that list and literally writing all the things down of what you need to bring for your photo shoot. If that means creating a list on Amazon of the things you need to buy, organizing the outfits, arranging the props. Some of your props may be things that you use for your business or products that you feature, maybe even services that you currently offer. Write it all down so you can't forget all the things you need for your branding shoot.
We wanted our photos to reflect our diverse services that we offer to our clients, have a friendly and open feel in the environment, and reflect our personality. We're bubbly and we like to be a partner on your team. Now, this is not going to be achieved by me wearing a stuffy suit and going just for a general headshot session. This required a cozy home studio that kind of reflected the spaces that we work in, and it required communication with our photographer. Be sure to communicate early and often so that your branding photos reflect the things that you want, and your photographer can work to help you make those feelings come to life through your images. Now, make sure you have everything packed so it goes smoothly, and let's get to the photo shoot. So after our shoot, we took some time to go through the photos, pick out our favorite ones, and then we needed to get editing. So we have some editing software that we pay for since we're in photography, but you can use the app Lightroom Mobile to edit your photos for free. So you can adjust the lighting, you can fix some things, you can add some profiles that make it look like you have a preset on top of them, or you can even apply presets if that's something you have. But the app Mobile Lightroom is really great on your iPad or your iPhone to be able to do some quick edits for your photos. Did you do this alongside of me? If not, remember, branding is more than just your logo, your photos, or a set of colors that you like. It's how your brand makes people feel online. So definitely take some time to think about how you want people to feel, but part of that element of showing up and including your branding is to show your face. Show it. So take some pictures, even if it's self-portraits, or rope in a friend to help you, or hire a photographer. They know what they're doing. So I encourage you to get your branding photos done and let me see the results if you get yours done. I'd love to see and support you on your business journey. If you like this video, please like, follow, and subscribe so that we can do more videos like this and teach you about more branding elements to market yourself online. We hope you have a wonderful day and be sure to follow us on all the places. This is Helen. I'll see you next time.